It's $3.19. Ignore that duct tape. It's nothing bad. It's just duct tape. I got the Gorilla Tape. Where's the babies at? Ah, my babies are home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's the rest of y'all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I got them. They're all here. What y'all doing? What y'all know good? Y'all know anything? Oh, it's on top of the rabbit cage. Oh, they heard it. And we didn't do anything today. I let the boys know. I was like, man, today's Sunday. We ain't going to do nothing. We're just going to relax. So that's what we did. I don't know. They don't sound too happy today like they normally are. They're not being as loud. Okay, move. Come on, babies. Come on. Oh, now y'all going to come. Okay, move, babies. Move, mama. What, Donald? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Where are you going? You're going the wrong way. Come on. Y'all know where to go. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Yep, come on. And yeah, he's just been picking at that sore that he's got. That one right there, he got a sore. Come on, baby. Come on. Right, everybody? Where Mama at? There's Mama. Uh-oh, where's Fatty? And yes, I do name all my birds. They all got names. Uh-oh. What? She gonna fly up, what? Come on, go ahead and do it. Do it. Do it. Nope. So I'm missing one. Yep. I don't know where she would be at. But I'll find her in a little bit. Oh, here comes one right now, so I can't get out yet. You're going the wrong way. The door's over there, stupid. Look at the babies. Where Mama? Where Mama? Look, here she comes. Oh, look. She's smart again. But yeah, I don't know where Fatty's at. Which is kind of unusual. She might be sitting on this somewhere, because I know dang well ain't no hawk around here gonna take that big thing away. But we really don't have hawks. We have the little sparrow hawks, but they won't go after birds that big. So, and then we do have the occasional predator at night, which, yeah, they're always around. Especially raccoons, possums. But as far as anything like wolves or stuff like that, no. No, not that I know of. I know we got bobcats because my neighbor actually ran one over and brought it home. Go get it, little one. Go get it. They ain't so little no more. They getting big. No, they getting big. Oh, shut up. Do something. I promise you I'll hook you up to that electric right there. I just don't know where Big Mama's at. You better quit being mean. Telling you. And I don't know about y'all, but man, the gnats are so bad, and it's not the regular gnats, it's the ones that bite. Whew. They're horrible. But yeah, I guess I'll go look for Big Mama tonight. See where she's at. She's more than likely nesting somewhere. Because she always comes to the caves, but here lately I've been noticing that she don't come home all the time like the normal ones. So we'll go look around for her tonight. See where she's at. Hopefully she gives me some more babies too. Because with all this stuff that's going on in the world, is that an egg? Oh, them ducks. That is an egg. And it's been in the sun all day, so I'm pretty sure it's no good. So I mean, people want ducks. Oh, I would love to have ducks. Yeah, that's an egg. Quit. Leap. You done broke it. You little mean thing, you. I gotta take that out of here. Oh, it was soft shell. So that means it's a new hen that's laying. Yeah, 'cause that was soft shell. Soft. But I might have to do away with her because she just pecked at an egg, and that's not a good thing. Once they learn there's something good in it, they tend to continue breaking eggs. And yes, that sounds like Jurassic Park. But alright, y'all. You have a good day. God bless. Stay healthy. And stay home.